Hey there, fellow travelers. Whether you're a seasoned globe-trotter or just starting to explore the world, we all have a role to play in making our adventures more sustainable. Ready to make your adventures more sustainable? It's easier than you might think, and every small step counts. Great. But first, let's talk about some common mistakes you might be making without even realizing it. These are pitfalls that even the most well-intentioned travelers can fall into. Here are 5 sustainable travel mistakes you're probably guilty of. Don't worry, we're here to help you avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, overpacking. It's tempting to bring everything you might need, but lugging around a heavy suitcase increases your carbon footprint. Travel light. Not only will it make your journey easier, but it will also reduce the fuel consumption of your transportation. Pack versatile clothing and only the essentials. Think about items that can be mixed and matched, and consider the climate of your destination. Your back and the planet will thank you. Plus, you'll have more room for souvenirs and local products. Next up, mistake number 2, ignoring local culture. Sustainable travel isn't just about the environment, it's also about respecting and supporting local communities. Engaging with local culture enriches your travel experience and fosters mutual respect. Learn a few phrases in the local language, try local foods, and shop at local markets. This not only shows respect, but also helps you connect more deeply with the place you're visiting. You'll have a richer experience and contribute directly to the local economy. Supporting local artisans and businesses helps preserve cultural heritage. Mistake number 3, single-use plastics. We're all guilty of grabbing that convenient plastic water bottle or using plastic utensils on the go. But these add up quickly and have a lasting impact on the environment. Single-use plastics are one of the biggest pollutants in our oceans and natural landscapes. Invest in a reusable water bottle and a set of travel utensils. These small changes can significantly reduce your plastic waste. Small changes can make a big impact. Plus, many destinations now have refill stations and encourage the use of reusable items. Let's move on to mistake number 4, over-tourism. Popular destinations are popular for a reason, but they can get overcrowded and environmentally strained. Consider visiting less-known places. This not only helps reduce the strain on popular spots, but also gives you a more unique experience. Not only will you avoid the crowds, but you'll also discover hidden gems and support less visited communities. These places often offer a more authentic and peaceful experience. And finally, mistake number 5, not offsetting your carbon footprint. Traveling by plane? It's tough to avoid, but you can offset your carbon emissions by contributing to environmental projects. Many organizations offer carbon offset programs that support reforestation, renewable energy, and other green initiatives. Many airlines offer this option when you book your ticket. It's a small additional cost that can make a big difference. It's a simple way to make your travels a bit greener. Look for airlines and travel companies that prioritize sustainability. So there you have it, 5 common sustainable travel mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. Remember, every little effort counts when it comes to protecting our planet. By making mindful choices, you can enjoy your travels while minimizing your impact on the environment. Happy travels, and keep exploring sustainably. Your actions can inspire others to do the same. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on sustainable travel. Pause and smile. See you in the next video.